This is HGS Assist. We are having a motherboard that's 820 3115, which is having a power issue. If you check from the charging slots, connecting the charging slots, wow. We are having no green light from the DC machine, 0.018 amperage, no power. Now from the schematic diagram, first of all, because we are not having a green light on the charger, 3.42 G3 hot supply is not present on the system. Okay, so now this is the first resistor to take in power from the charger, which is 18 volts, 6990 from the board view. This is 6990. From the board view, this is 6990. Okay, from the motherboard, this is 6990. This is 6990 from the motherboard. Now, this resistor takes in first volt from the charger. Now, with our meter reading, let's check. From our meter reading, we are having 3.4, which is not proper. Now, let's check the fuse line from the DC power. The fuse line from the DC power, this should be 6905 from the schematic, which is 18 volts. Okay, so which should be from the board view. From the board view, this should be the fuse for DC. So we check from the motherboard. From the motherboard, this is okay. We have 18. Okay. From the other end, we are having 3.4, which is not proper. Now let's remove the charger and check. Let's remove the charger and check the fuse itself. This is the fuse. Okay, we are having no power from the fuse. So it simply means that we have to first of all change the fuse to see if we have a power inflow from the system. Now let's change the fuse. Okay, the fuse is out. Let's take from our donor board.
You buy a camera stand.
Okay. But first of all, let's check the fuse we just removed. Let's just check the food we are taking from our donor board first.
That television, TV monitor, Lenovo.
Okay. We have a beep sound from this to show that this one is okay. So let's fix this one to see.
Now that's all the one that I told you about.
Or we apply flux. Okay. We apply flux. Okay. We apply flux. Okay. We are fixing the fuse now. We are fixing the fuse. Now let's see if we have PP3 G3 hots present on the system. Let's confirm. Okay. G3 hot is present on the system, and let's see if the board is on. Let's see if the board is on. We have a power. The board is on. Let's see the amperage. The amp is complete, and we have a flow. We have power flow on the system. So keep watching. Keep watching.